These birds are well equipped for spending nearly all of their time in the water. In fact, as adults, loons have trouble walking on land. Their legs are positioned further back on their body as compared to other waterfowl, so they can only manage a stumbling hobble on land at best. This is where the name loon comes from. They look a little loony trying to get around on land, though there's potentially another meaning behind this common name. Loons have a distinct, mournful call. Here's an example. It's possible the name loon came from a word meaning to moan, and some sources claim this is where the common name comes from.